closing. He said, oh, I heard about parents coming. Spoke to the universe. No. Aw. If you got no food, then forget about it. Just forget about it. Let's see close up on his face. He looks different. Hi Walter, I'm so sorry we didn't bring food. We didn't expect that we're gonna run into you. You know, you look so beautiful. You're different from Oliver. Oliver should take some tips from you. Oh, there is food. Okay. There you go. Oh my God. He says, oh, thank you. He says, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, he's got some friend now. Oh my goodness. This is next, but that food comes from my master. He's not interested. Maybe he's had enough already. He's been fed so much. Yeah. He said, I gotta maintain my diet. He says, I have a certain when I eat. Oh my God, look at that. Oh really? He's gentle? Aww. Gentle Walter. Wow. Nice. Aww. What a good little dog. So cute. Yeah, maybe it's been fed so many times. Goodness. He seems to be well combed than the other one, than Oliver. Well groomed, but okay. Okay, goodbye. It's nice meeting you. So lucky. We're so lucky we get to meet Walter. Yes, yes. Oh, you got a nice home, Walter.